Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about the dienes and types of dienes. Dienes are the compounds having two double bonds. En means having a double bond, di means two. The compounds having two double bonds are known as dienes. Dienes are three types. Dienes are three types: conjugated dienes, cumulative dienes and isolated dienes. Conjugated. First, conjugated dienes. Conjugated dienes are the compounds in which the double bonds are alternately present with the single bonds. The double bonds between carbon atoms are alternately present with the single bonds between the carbon atoms. Those are known as conjugated dienes. This is the example. You see, it is 1,3-butadiene. I have taken a 4 carbon chain in which there is a double bond between first and second carbon. In between second and third there is a single bond, and in between third and fourth there is a double bond. This is 1,3-butadiene, and all the carbon atoms will be in sp2 hybrid state because adjacent to each carbon there is one double bond. So, all the carbon atoms will be in sp2 hybrid state. These conjugated dienes are highly stable because the delocalization of pi electrons is possible. These pi bonded electrons may be shifted here, and these pi bonded electrons may be shifted to the right side. So, as delocalization of pi electrons is possible, which is known as resonance, these conjugated dienes are highly stable. Next type of dienes are cumulative dienes. Cumulative dienes are the compounds having the double bonds adjacent. The double bonds are adjacently present in cumulative dienes. Again, a 4 carbon chain I have taken here: carbon, double bond carbon, double bond carbon, single bond carbon. This carbon has two double bonds on either side with the first carbon and also third carbon. In this cumulative dienes, the resonance or the delocalization of pi electrons is not possible. So, cumulative dienes are less stable when compared to conjugated dienes. Okay, students? And in this case, all the carbon atoms are not sp2 hybrid carbon atoms. You see here, this is having a double bond, it is sp2, but this carbon has double bonds on either side. That means this carbon has two pi bonds, two single bonds, two sigma bonds. So, this carbon is in sp hybrid state, and the third carbon is in sp2 hybrid state, and fourth carbon is in sp3 hybrid state. Okay? And the third type of dienes are isolated dienes. Third kind of dienes are isolated. Isolated dienes are the compounds in which the double bonds are present far away. That means the double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. To represent this, the minimum carbon atoms should be 5. C, double bond C, single bond C, single bond C and double bond C. So, these double bonds are far away present, almost at the end of the chain these double bonds are present, and these double bonds they behave like normal single double bonds. That means the alkenes having single double bonds, they behave like normal alkenes because these double bonds are no way connected to each other. That is why the isolated dienes behave like normal alkenes. They give all the properties of addition reactions of alkenes. Okay, students, these are the different types of dienes. These dienes we will see in organic compounds, and these are useful in solving the many questions in IIT JEE and NEET papers. Right, students? I hope this video is very useful to you, and please subscribe to my channel. I am going to upload many videos which are useful for the all entrance examinations. Okay students, thank you.